traditional online show to promote and preserve the cultural heritage of Inyotre. According to Foundation Director Niman Enshada, the event will feature participants dressed in traditional attire, singing Khasi, Maram, Bhoy and other local songs. He also informed that Hindi and English songs will not be allowed at the event. The foundation encourages community members to participate in preserving traditional customs, particularly traditional attires. Participants will need to send a 3-minute-long video showcasing their traditional attires from the 10th till the 20th of October.
Sel bahaya barok naduk ki kena ki konsamlah bat ki lokmi lokpa ki bedan kata ke muslim ban pi ya karyam tentrai kun Khasi mo ta kim dan kam bang siu nama kani ka thong de ko foundation ban penkiu dan de ban tersa ya ka riam tentrai kun Khasi kada ki ruai de tin maram ki ruai tin bhoy ki tin pra ulam tam ki de ban don karyam ta karyam tentrai juga Hindi parang Indonesia.
Star Cement will officially sponsor the